Hello everybody, it's me, Code Talker Looters, and in for another episode of the C Sharp Crash Course series. And in this episode, we're gonna do all the do because we're talking about the while do loops, okay? Or do while loops. I think it sounds better like that. So, what is a do while loop? Okay, wait a minute, my cat is over here. Okay, sorry, my cat was here, so I think she gets a little bit anxious when I speak a lot. I don't know why. Anyway, so a do while loop. So the do while loop is something of the sort of like an inverse or like an inverted while loop. Okay, the do while loop is a post test loop. Okay, it's very good to use it when you're testing something. So it means basically it does not test its expression until it has a complete an iteration. As a result, the do-while loop always performs at least one iteration, even if the expression is false. To begin with, this differs from the behavior of a while loop, which you will recall is a pretest loop. When to use the do-while loop, so what is the do-while loop? When you want to make sure the loop executes at least once. Okay? So let's go to do. We have 4 examples. This is going to be a very long video, okay? So let's go to Visual Studio and let's create a new project. Console, C# console application. And in this format, we're going to have repeat test core. Repeat test score. Our famous or infamous test score, okay, in the do while loop form, okay. So we'll do everything again using system that collections that generic. All right, class program and static void main. So this program averages 3 test scores. It repeats as many times as the user wishes. So we have here variables, integer score 1, score 2, and score 3. 3 scores. Got a double called average, okay? Average score. And we have char again, all right? To hold y or n input. So enter the do while loop. Do get 3 scores. Console that write line. Enter 3 scores, and I will average them. Okay. Oops. Shut up. So we have score 1 plus score 2 plus score 3. That actually is not the thing that I wanted to do. Sorry, guys. We got score 1 equal to convert to console read line. Score 2 convert score 3 convert integer 32, perfect. Okay, now we're going to do calculate and display the average. Okay, so we have average score 1 plus score 2 plus score 3 divided by 3.0. Go. Console.writeLine. The average is average does the user want to average another set? Console.writeLine. Do you want to average another set? Another set? Yes or no? Semicolon. So again will be convert to char console.writeLine. Okay. So while again it's equals to y, again equals to lowercase y, we sorry, I forgot something here, right? Or we finish the statement. Okay, so with that being said, we save and we create we compile. So enter each course and I will average them. So let's see, we get an 85, we get 79, and we get a 75. Okay, so the average is 79. Do you want to average another set? Yes. The 3 scores and I will average them. Okay. 69 and 100. So we got 75. Okay. Well, I don't know. All right. All right, guys. Let's see something we can how you call it? Change or fix decimals. So in the average section, what you want to do is create a comment section, create the $sign, type in the curly braces average, and then a colon and capital F and 1. Okay, click save and compile, and we do it again. 85, 69, 52, and we get one single decimal digit. All right. Oh no, fuck. Let's stop it. Anyway, what else is to do? What else is to do? So let's go to the next do while loop. Okay, so this is all about gaming now, guys. Okay, go to new, go to project, console C#, console application. We're gonna do a fight stop. stop. Okay, that's the name of the project. Fight stop. Create. You already know how what is this, right? System using system.collections.generic class program. Okay. So fight stop. What do we do here? This program creates a do while loop where the program asks the player to keep fighting or not. I'm going to create a random RNG. Equals new random. So this is actually a, oh my god, a program to char again. Okay. So do. What the hell do I do now? Wait a minute. Class program. Forgot the static void main. And I forgot also the parameters. What's wrong with you, Jose? And of course, I forgot the. There. Okay. All right. Tranquility itself. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So. Create a do while loop where the program asks the player to keep fighting or not. Okay, we create our variables random RNG equals to new random char again, right? So do integer player health is equals to 100. Integer enemy health equals to 50. Okay. Console.writeLine. A wild goblin appears. Okay. While player health and enemy health is greater than 0. Now we do integer player damage and call RNG that next 16 integer enemy damage equals RNG that next let me see if you're doing correct this. Okay, so in here enemy health is minus or equals player damage. And player health is minus or equal enemy damage. Okay. Console at right line. We create $sign. You hit the goblin for player damage. Console at right line. Comment section. Double quotation marks. $sign. The goblin hits you for enemy damage. Console that right line. Your HP player health going HP enemy health okay. Now we get off of these curly braces. We go if player health equals 0, console the right line. You defeated the goblin. Else you were defeated. Okay. Console at right line. Hold on a minute. Fight another enemy. Yes or no? So we're doing again equals console dot read key dot key chart console dot right line. To click again, and in here a while loop. While again it's equal y, or again is equals to lowercase y. I'm gonna create we end the statement over there, go to console.write line, create another console.write line, game over. Okay. So this program we save, okay, and we do the compilation. While the goblin appears, you hit the goblin for 8 damage. The goblin hits you for 5 damage. Your HP is 95. Goblin HP is 42. To hit the goblin for 6 damage, the goblin hits you for 3 damage. Your HP goes to 92. You defeated the goblin. Fight another enemy. Yes. Oh, I think I didn't. Game over. Okay, let's try to do it again. Huh? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Again. Is it me or we are not doing that? Is it me or we're not doing that? Again. Again, equal console that read key chart, console right or Are we? Are we hitting again or what? I think we didn't fight on the enemy. Oh, okay, it's instantiating another one. So if we click yes, it's instantiating another one. Okay. Yeah, okay. do. Okay, so if I click no, there. Awesome. Okay, cool. So program number 2 completed, guys. Program number 2 completed. I think you guys know already, but if you want to, I can give you another one. This is a very short one, okay? It's a very short one. We're almost 20. I think we're gonna hit the mark of 30 here. I don't think so, but we'll see, okay? So let's go to the project, okay? Console application. It's gonna be a loot box simulator, okay? Loot box simulator. Okay. We do the usual stuff. We do a class program. Static void main parameter there. Okay. So with this program creates a loot box simulator. The program will ask the player to open another loot box. Okay, so we got random.rng equal random new random. Okay, char again. So do integer row equals rng dot next. We have 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Have console dot write line opening loot box. If row is less or equal than 60, console and write line, you got a common item. Else, if row is less or equal than 85, you get a rare item. You get a rare item. Else, if roll less or equal than 97, you get an epic item. else console dot readline legendary drop. Okay. Also the readline. Open another box. Yes or no. Okay. So again, console dot read key key char console readline. Okay. So while again is equal to capital Y, or again is equals to lowercase y, we finish a statement. Console.WriteLine. Thanks for playing. Okay, so we save and then we go for loot box. Oh, you got an epic item right off the bat. Okay, let's open another one. A common item. Common item. Epic item again. Common item. Epic item. Common item. Rare item. Okay. Common item. Rare item. Common item. Rare item. Legendary drop. No. Okay, so that was the loot simulator. It's very clunky, I know, but at least you know how the do while works. Okay, so we are hitting the 27 mark. As you can see, I'm doing this episode on Saturday the 20th. So you guys are gonna see this episode on the 21st. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. And next time we are doing the for loop. Okay, the for loop. Nice. Excuse me. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye.